Hey everybody, with summer around the corner, today we picked up this giant 95-inch swimming pad for your little ones or for your furry friends. It's absolutely heavy duty, it's got sprinklers coming in from all around the sides, and it's definitely not gonna tear.
Thank you for your consideration, Mr. Zane. I guess I have to leave it running.
What's good everybody? So today, Zane and I are gonna be setting up this little pool thing there, and we're gonna show you why we like it. Now we already have one, but look how tiny and itsy bitsy thing that is. We wanted to try something bigger, so we got something bigger and we're gonna try it out. We're gonna move this into the sun a little bit. There are two connectors, this one and then you got this one. Since we don't have an ending on this, we're gonna take this, the threaded part, place it against it, go counterclockwise. It's a 3/4 inch. And we're gonna keep going until it can't go no more. I wish this was metal, but it's not, so just be careful and then turn this on and watch this fill. So one thing you can do is once it's all pumped up, you can kind of step in like this, and that's gonna move the jets towards the inside. So even though we're kind of on a slope, you can see that they're all going inside now. So you guys can see that inside, there's very little water filling in because we're kind of on a slope, right? There's some water coming in here, right? But it's really meant to be on a straight surface, so I think we're gonna have to pull it back a little more where it's more even. Yeah! If you close it, then slowly but surely, they're just gonna die out. Zane's a little upset. What? Turn them on? Alright, look. And then slowly, they're going to just start going up again. What do you think? Is it good? What do you think, Zane? You want it on? Okay, let's turn it on. Thank you for your consideration, Mr. Zane. So in conclusion, if you're looking for a very large and spacious way to cool off your pets or have your kids play with water guns inside it or run through it, then this is probably something you may want to consider. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys on the next one. It's coming.